birth, umpisa pa lang yan sa pagkahaba-habang proseso.
Naman. Kaya naman tutulungan tayo ng isang expert pagdating sa tamang pag-aalaga ng bata. We have with us Miss Chicky Brossos-Han, expert sa pag-aalaga ng baby.
Yes. Let's start with, eto talaga yung kinatakutan ko.
Ako din.
In fact, hindi ko to ginawa until Juliana was a bit bigger. Si Richard yung nagpapaligo sa
Ako
kanya.
naman si Lola.
What is the right way of giving the baby a bath? And at what age?
Yes, oo. Actually, pagka newborn pa, punas lang yan. Okay? Medyo newborn ito. But I'm gonna show you how to give the baby a bath. Sa umpisa, sponge bath lang muna.
Okay.
We're waiting for the umbilical cord to fall off, and that takes about 7 days to 10 days.
After that, pwede nang
Oo, tapos pwede mo na siyang ilublub sa water. Okay. Sa umpisa, wala. Ilublub? Pero syempre, hindi yung ulo. Yung katawan lang. Okay, so before anything else, you have to make sure that everything is here. You never leave the baby unattended, alone on the table.
Course.
Diba? Importante yun. So once you have everything ready, so you would need a towel, no? And then this is for the body, and then you would need a face towel for the face, and then for the hair also. Okay? So palagay natin na pwede na siyang paliguan.
Yes.
Okay? So ang una mong gagawin, aalisin muna natin yung damit nila. Just make it loose like this, and then just cover the body.
They're warm?
Yes, they're warm. And you have to make sure na walang draft yung room.
Okay.
Alright? And then, palagay natin ito yung face towel. So, ang uunahin mo yung face. Okay? So, babasain mo ito, walang water pagdating sa face. Hindi kailangan ng
Walang soap.
Yes,
Yeah,
walang
just
soap.
water.
Just plain water. So, you start on the face. Ganun lang siya. Tapos, kinakausap mo siya, "Oh, baby, good morning. How are you?" Every time after you wet the baby, pag natapos ka, you must dry para hindi siya malamigan. Tapos, sunod doon yung hair na. Okay? So, you can either lift the baby close to your body, or kung nakatayo ka, okay din. So, you just put a little bit, okay, of soap on the hair, on your hand, and then just lather, no? Pag nasabon mo na siya, just make sure yung tenga wag malalagyan ng water. Sometimes, it's hard to show you, no? But sometimes you can actually flip the ears like this while you're holding the head. O naka-flip siya para hindi siya malagyan ng water. Okay? And then you just rinse it like this. So with the body naman, aalisin mo na lang yung shirt, no? Ganon, just remove it from him. So mas maganda yung ganitong klaseng shirt, yung crisscross.
Yes.
Kasi yung from the head, mas mahirap yun eh. So yun,
Sa kapag naman talaga baby, baru-baruan talaga yung ginagamit, di ba po?
Yes.
Anong baru-baruan?
Yun, yung ganyan.
Yung toy lang. O, sige, use soap now. So you put a little bit of soap here, okay, and then you lather on the chest first. Sige.
Hindi naman kailangan buhay.
Sige.
Ganyan lang.
Yes.
Naku, Diyos ko
Oo,
po.
yan, all around. Yeah, the creases, tapos yung kamay.
Ang kuko. Paano po yung pagdating dito, yung pinaka-part ng baby yung sa may ano?
Yes. Ayan, oo. Yung mga creases talagang dapat, yung mga leeg. Kasi parang wala siyang neck.
Yung yung likod ng tenga.
Yes.
Dapat, lilinisan.
Yes. But wag yung loob.
Jen, gininaw na yung anak mo.
So yung kabila naman. Bilisan mo. Yan. Okay.
Ulo.
Tapos na kasi yung head, di ba? Tsaka yung face. So now, cover mo, may sabon pa siya, di ba? Aalisin mo ngayon yung disposable diaper. Oo. Tapos, pag inalis mo na to, yes, para hindi siya malamigan. Okay. Yung genital area, yung mga singit. Yes. Yan, mga singit,
Jen,
paa.
parang ginawa mong ano yan, figurin ng anak mo.
Okay, good. Oo. Tapos, if you wanna go under, you have to hold both legs up, lift it up. Yes. Medyo matigas nga, di ba?
Ay, ang
Pero pag
ulo,
yung leeg-
ang leeg.
Napakalupit nyo naman. O, yan.
Cutesy nga, cutesy.
Yan, sige. O, nasabon mo na lahat. Okay, now this is very tricky. They're very slippery.
Yeah.
Okay, do you wanna carry the baby? Now, yun na.
Bilisan mo, Sherry.
Oo.
Sherry baby eh.
Alisan muna natin ng soap.
Sabon.
Di ba?
Okay, sabi ko nga
sige. So, carry the baby
Hindi si
now.
Gian yan.
Oh, carry the baby, ha? Quickly.
Quickly, Sherry.
Ay, nalalamig ka na.
Mali ang katawan ng anak mo dyan, te.
Yan.
Te, ganito, te. Halika, tuturuan ko.
Ayan,
para
ikaw
hindi
na
ka
nga.
mahirapan.
O, sige, ikaw
Kasi
na.
kami, ang ginagawa namin is
O, diba?
nilileft muna yung isang part ng katawan. Tapos lalagyan mo sa ilalim para may suporta ka. And then the next.
Oh, di ba?
Ay, naman ganito. Kanya ako, no?
Ayan.
Yan. Pag ganyan yan lagi. Lilift mo muna isang, ayan. Ganyan.
Dapat wala mga bracelet, ha? Oh, yan. Pwede na. Paa muna.
then,
Paa muna.
At saka itong agimat mo, dapat wala.
Taas ang ulo, te. Taas ang ulo.
Huwag ilublob ang ulo. Nainitan, Sherry. Hindi mo chinet. Hindi chinet. Dok, hindi. Ay, Dok.
Na-check na kanina. Na-check na.
Na-check na. Nilalamig na, Sherry. Nilalamig.
Linalamig na. Balutin na.
Tapos,
Binalik.
Oo, linublob mo na. So, inalis mo na yung sabon. Pero mabilis yun, ha? Inaalis yung sabon habang nakahawak ka. Tapos i-dry mo na siya. Yes.
Ay, sana bumaba yung paa niya.
Hanapin yung paa. Hindi ka daw kasi.
baby, bumaba.
Ayan.
Okay.
Oo, just make sure na tuyo lahat. And then after that, pag tuyo na siya,
Paano yung ulo? Tatakpan din?
Yeah.
yeah, pwede. Sometimes kasi pagka malamig, then you put the bonnet, no? Pero wala naman draft yung room, so okay lang naman. Basta just remember to know how much clothes you put on. Kasi we Filipinos like to put a lot of clothes
Yeah, but
on
it's
the babies,
warm,
but it's
yeah.
really warm. So how you feel, kung ano yung nararamdaman mo.
Yeah.
Kung nalalamig ka, ganun din yung baby. So you put additional clothing. Pero kung naiinitan ka, dapat light rin yung bihis mo sa kanya.
Okay.
So after you dry the baby, yun, you're ready to put on the dress.
Thank you very much for the benefit of our viewers. Alam niyo ba, trivia lang to, si Miss Chicky is runner-up sa Miss Universe. O, di ba? That's what we call beauty with substance. This is really your passion now, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And you teach also birthing classes.
Yes,
no?
yes.
Okay. Thank you very much.
At saka yung mga guests natin, pasalamatan din
Ay,
natin.
babay na to. Babay na to.
Oo, te. Sana may natutunan sila, te.
Oo. Alalahanin niyo, ang hamog, ang hamog. Up next.